Hey tech lovers, welcome back to another new episode of Mobile Funda's tips and tricks. Today's video is going to be very interesting for global users because a special feature from HyperOS 3 has now come to HyperOS 2 global users, through which you can use the clock widget applied to your lock screen on your home screen as well. Yes, you heard that right. You will find out exactly how this happened later in this video. So be sure to watch this video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting such tips and tricks videos in the future. Friends, let's talk about this new feature, which I am already using it on my Note 13 Pro 5G. And in this video, I am going to reapply it and show you exactly how this feature works and what its limitations are. So let's go to our phone's lock screen. But before that, you can see here that the current clock widget on my home screen is a centered clock widget. Now let's move on to the lock screen. Then customize lock screen and head to the scenery layouts, in which we will apply one of these layouts like I'm applying this one. Our lock screen has been applied, and as we go to the home screen, you can see that the same clock widget that was applied on our lock screen has now been applied on our home screen. Well, it also has two particular interesting features. First, there is a small weather detail that if we tap on it, it will take us to the weather app, which means it actually functional. And secondly, as soon as we go back to the lock screen and change its font, then apply it. Now let's go back to the home screen, and you can see that the font has also been changed. That is, whatever is applied on the lock screen is simultaneously applied on the home screen. These were its two features. Now let's talk about the limitation I mentioned at the beginning. Currently, this same clock widget feature only works in the scenery layout. This means it won't work in any other layout. And anyway, the sizes of other widgets are large, so they wouldn't fit on the home screen. So this is a limitation for now, and I don't know if it will work in other layouts in the future. Now let's discuss how to enable this feature on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. For that, you will find the latest APK version of HyperOS Clock app, which is 17.19.0 in the pinned comments below. Download it, then install it to update your Clock app. After that, when you press and hold your Clock app, then tap on Add Widgets, then slide to the left, you will see the centered clock widget here. If you see this widget, that it means that this feature has been enabled on your phone. Rest, try it out and let me know in the comments below whether it applied to your phone or not. So that was today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, then like this video and subscribe to the channel for such tips and tricks videos in the future. See you in the next video with another new Funda. Till then, keep exploring. Jai Hind.